Okay, so we are out of the sugar shack. We're in the kitchen. This is the most important part. We have syrup tested with our hydrometer, and now we're filtering, and then we'll bottle. So, just takes a little time for this to filter. Make sure it all gets in there. I do have to do one thing here real quick. Take that out. You want to make sure you got a bottle of, or a pan of hot water so you can rinse off your sticky instruments. There's really nothing to it, but it does help. Helps keep things clean. So this is not quite hot boiling water there. It's just hot enough to expand the fibers in the filter that I'm using, and to make sure that the hydrometer stays clean for when you're measuring, because it has to be clean. The filtering process takes a little while, so it takes a little bit of patience. Then what I'll do is, once I have this filtered, I'll just get this back up to 185 degrees and put it in bottles. I'm using a new cone filter this year, and it's already looking like it's working pretty dang good. It's got a couple of pre-filters with it, and it's coming out pretty clear. I'm pretty happy with it so far, just looking at it. So, just keep her rolling there. Just keep her rolling on that. You might have some spills, so it's good to have a wet towel or wet rag. So that, I will say, just kind of helps a little bit. That's all. That's filtering pretty good. Takes a little while. You got to be kind of patient with it. This is an Orlon filter. I didn't use this last year, but I'm using it this year to really help get that niter sugar sand out of there. So yeah, it looks like it's doing what it's supposed to right now, which is nice. So we got up to 219 degrees. That's the when syrup boils, 7 degrees above boiling point of water. And I checked it with the hydrometer, and it was at the mark, and it's good to go. Good to go. Yes, sirree, Bob. This pan's about. I boiled off. Ended up boiling off about, I want to say, 27 gallons of sap. No, actually about 30 gallons of sap today. So, it was a pretty good day. Pretty good day. I put a riser on this, and the bottom of the cone filter is just about touching the bottom of the or the top of the syrup, rather. So just going to kind of improvise here with something to help it gain some height. Use a couple of ladles or something here that I have readily available. So, but that's it. So maybe I'll do a quick one when I go to bottle. Giddy up.